Hello and welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are going to be cleaning the air filter, which I may not have cleaned for over a year. Pretty bad, but first off, let's get a cold start and back out the car a little. So before I will lift up the hood, a full disclosure. I was actually trying to make a video where I detail and clean and do everything to the entire M3, the wheels and stuff, but I just do not have the place to do it. So we're going to be tackling all of the maintenance, cleaning maintenance, bit by bit. So if you check this out under the hood, don't be too scared. It is dirty, but it's driven and it's happy. Let me get the torch and show you. Now, I know it is dusty, it is crusty. Again, as I've said, it is a happy car, as you can see. And the filter I'm running is a wet filter from AFE, and I'm gonna be using the K and N cleaning kit because there's no AFE cleaning kits available here. And I'm just afraid to look at how dirty it is going to be. I thought it was going to be a little worse, but again, from underside, it is probably going to be worse. But just to show you, you probably won't be able to see here, but there are a bunch of flies and little bits. Ooh. This right here is absolutely caked. Shout out to my grandparents for giving me a lend of their bathtub, but I don't think they will ever find out what was happening here, because I don't think they would want to wash themselves here again. So when you properly clean the air filter, it should have this kind of white appearance. This is a wet filter, wet intake filter. So we're gonna apply the oil, but just before we do, I'm gonna give it a quick scan and then pick out anything that I can find. While the air filter is drying, I'm gonna take some glass cleaner, a microfiber cloth, and we're gonna clean this air intake, because if I'm not gonna do this, it is not going to let me sleep at night, and it is dirty AF. And now it is the time to put some oil on our air filter. So the air filter is ready. It's been like realistically 40 minutes. I left it for 20 minutes like this, and then I flipped it for another 20 minutes, whatever. I was chilling, so it's all good. And now it is time to put it back together. The air filter is almost on, just need to do up this one single screw, and this air filter might seem a bit big and kind of very difficult to put on, or put on, whichever, but it's actually made out of rubber, so it's very flexible, so putting it on and taking it off isn't an actual issue. And now let's get on the cover. Now, just because I'm here, I know I'm gonna clean this all. It would be a bigger wow factor. It's gonna get dirty either way, but it really kind of annoys me having to look at this being so dirty, so I'm gonna give it a quick wipe. Okay, I'm gonna leave leave this at this because I'm gonna literally end up cleaning the entire thing. So now it would only make sense to power on the car. So let's do just that. Now, before I'm gonna give it a few revs so we can hear the air intake, one thing, 7,344 subscribers, which is crazy. I haven't done this in a while, but we're so close to 7,500, and then it's 8,000, and then possibly 10,000 until the end of year, hopefully. So huge shout out to you for liking, watching, subscribing. I'm gonna give it a few revs, and hopefully I've enjoyed this video. It's probably not the most exciting one, but it still has to be done, documented. So yeah, hopefully your week was going great. Hopefully another one will go even better. And yeah, I hopefully see you in my next video. Take care and to the next one.